I'm going to make some Haitian hot chocolate. All the ingredients you will be needed is carnation milk, the cocoa. This is our original cocoa from Haiti. I posted a video recently about some of my favorite things from Haiti. You guys can check it out. These are one of the cocoa from there. And you need milk, you need some sugar, and of course cinnamon stick, or I don't know how you call this. These are the stalk looking like. I don't have the stick, but these are the dry Aniseed one. Yep. And then I just dump it in there. So good. Serve some nice bread. Pray more or relax, guys. Let's enjoy with me. Nice, done.